Hello there, and welcome back to Mickey Travels and to another magical day. Now, one of the big things you're gonna deal with going to Disneyland is how you're gonna beat the heat. Because as much as our weather is wonderful here in Southern California, in the summer it can get real hot, like enough to make Olaf just turn into a happy snowman, if you know what I mean.
But put me in summer and I'll be a happy snowman!
Yeah, I don't want it to melt my face off because some people are worth melting for, but not this weather. But anyways, yes, there are some great places you can go to cool down around Disneyland. One of the first places to go is Tomorrowland. They've got a bunch of rides that are indoors with great AC. So you got Star Tours, you got Buzz Lightyear, even like Star Wars Launch Bay. If you want to go in there and cool down, it is really cool in there. Especially if you have a Disney Vacation Club, you can actually go to the lounge there and be able to chill out. So that's always a great option. Or if you just want to go meet Darth Vader, you can do that without having to be a DVC member. Another thing is just make sure you stay hydrated. I know you're gonna be having fun, you don't want to stop and get something to drink, but you can bring your own water bottles. There's tons of places to fill them up, lots of water fountains, or you can just buy one and just keep refilling that one until you're all done. And I'd also recommend getting a Powerade from time to time just to really get those electrolytes back in. Because Disneyland is great, but not when you pass out from heat exhaustion, then it's not fun for anyone. Some more great ways to beat the heat. Going to Small World is a great option. I know the song might get stuck in your head, but you are going to be inside on a nice log flume ride, and it's going to be nice and a great way to cool down. Also, if you're going over to DCA, oh gosh, you've got some options over there. There's the Animation Academy, which is amazing to cool down in. So many spots you just sit down. You got all these cool clips playing from movies, and you also see like background art and concept art. And you can just relax in a nice air-conditioned space, and you get to like sit down and relax. If you can't tell yet, that's my favorite way to cool down. I love that one. Then you've also got Turtle Talk with Crush in there. You can go sit down, relax, and enjoy a show while you cool down. And also, there's the Animation Academy in and of itself. You can learn to draw while you also cool down. So a great way to have some fun, learn how to draw characters, and get some nice AC, because you're gonna want it. And also another great ride is the Little Mermaid attraction. As soon as you start, you get put in your seashell and you go right back, and they do this huge blast of AC in your face. It really feels like you go under the sea, man. And every time I'm having a really hot day, I do that. I get off that ride feeling so refreshed. It is glorious. So if you want to come experience all of these cooling down methods for yourself, you should head on over to Mickey Travels. Yeah, that's right, because they are a Diamond Earmarked travel agency, which that means Disney themselves has said this is pretty much the best you're gonna get with a travel agency. And what's awesome is they are Disney exclusive, so you're gonna be getting the best Disney knowledge possible, and it's at no cost to you. So it doesn't cost you anything more, and all the headache of planning the trip is done for you. So why not try it out for yourself? If you're heading to Disneyland, Disney World, or any other destination, head on down to the description. You won't regret it. Now, of course, you really want to beat the heat. Woo! You gotta come to Tiana's. Yeah, any water ride is really gonna cool you down, especially with Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I have never gotten more wet on a log flume ride before in my entire life. That, or there's Grizzly River Run over in DCA. If you really need to cool down, these are gonna get you there, but you may want to think about bringing flip-flops and putting your tennis shoes like in a locker or something, because walking around all day with those wet socks will not be fun, but you'll be cooler. Other great ideas to cool down is getting ice cream or other cold beverages and other cold desserts, and those will always help cool you down too. Now, if you guys have any other ideas in the comments for how to stay cool at Disneyland, go down there, let us know. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, Mickey Travels, making magic one vacation at a time. We'll see you in the next one.